Husky utility knife, the very first version in structure. The brand name was founded in 1924, but the ownership of the name transferred 5 times before it was sold to Home Depot. This knife was bought 7 years ago, while it is still marked patent pending. I bought it for working purpose. When I was looking for a decent and heavy-duty utility knife, I was happy with my decision. The structural design is very efficient for applying power, carrying a round and replacing blade. The clamp holds the blade tightly. The tip faces down, and the front half of the edge exposes, which are all essential for the purpose of cutting flat surface. The body is in an arch shape, accentuate the power to press the tip down. Due to it's made in folding knife form, it is very easily to be concealed and carried around. And what I'm mostly impressed is its blade replacing structure. No screw required to loosen, and very friendly to open the clamp with one hand. There. It is not really made for self-defense or tactical use, but the blade is extremely sharp and well balanced, which can be used as a claw. This knife can be easily found in many hardware stores and is inexpensive. Thank you for watching. QNT channel rings.